Would you dare dump $15 billion to gamble with death in the deep ocean?
A tiny deviation of just a few meters will trigger a disaster right under this seabed. Today, we will tear open the craziest engineering miracle in human history.
In 1802, the initial plan for horse carriages under oil lamps was quickly extinguished. By 1880, the trial project was cancelled due to political fears.
After 4 failures, Britain and France finally reached a historic agreement.
They decided to build 2 main rail tunnels and 1 service tunnel.
The French village of Sangatte suddenly became a massive mechanical epicenter. In England, engineers began swinging their first picks into the Dover cliffs.
The greatest enemy was not seawater, but the geological structure.
They were forced to closely follow a unique rock band, chalk marl.
This rock layer is ideal because it is hard and waterproof. If it drifts upward, seawater will flood and submerge the project. If it drifts downward, the soft clay will swallow the boring machine.
The first challenge for Britain, creating a flat base on a vertical cliff. They had to use the most powerful solution, dynamite.
A new piece of land was formed from white chalk and dynamite.
The French chose to dig a massive launch shaft, 60 meters deep.
This deep bottom is where the monsters of the planet depart.
Welcome to the underground, the kingdom of 1,000-ton mobile factories. 11 TBMs here will continuously dig and build themselves.
Let us witness the monster technical specs under the deep ocean.
The cutter head alone weighs an incredible 600 tons of steel. Its mission is to grind through 39 kilometers of solid rock.
The machine cuts, cleans, and lines the tunnel simultaneously. Thick rubber gaskets are sealed tightly to prevent seawater leaks.
The British side launched 6 giant machines into the battle. The French side faced looser, wetter, and fractured rock layers. The temperature inside the unventilated tunnel easily hits 50 degrees.
The French were forced to turn drills into sealed-face excavators.
The Central Service Tunnel always takes the lead to explore.
They had to continuously look for the earliest water seepage.
Just one moment of negligence, sea pressure will rip leaks.
The pressure was crushing, not just from sea, but schedule.
To stay in the 20-meter path, they needed absolute precision. A primary guide beam of light kept them on track.
The core navigation guide in darkness was the gyroscope electronic compass. The operator steered the 1,000-ton machine like a precision car. The logistics of removing 7.5 million cubic meters of spoil was monstrous. The British dumped chalk into the sea, forming a new platform.
The main rail tunnels followed, larger and much faster.
After 39 kilometers, the tunnel faces were only meters apart.
We made it!
On December 1, 1990, the first pilot hole achieved breakthrough.
Vive la France! God save the Queen! We made it!
The handshake heard round the world, joined 2 nations. The final alignment error was less than half a meter.
The UK TBM was too big to turn around.
Six British machines were buried beneath the English Channel.
Power and signal cables line the tunnel for electric trains.
Financially, the cost ballooned drastically from 4.7 to 9.5 billion pounds.
Now, the train from London to Paris takes just over 2 hours.